Viewer discretion is advised. This video contains graphic and disturbing content related to real-life parasitic infestations in humans. Scenes include medical footage, vivid descriptions, and unsettling visuals that may not be suitable for sensitive viewers. The material is intended for educational and entertainment purposes, but viewer discretion is strongly advised. If you are squeamish or easily disturbed, proceed with caution. Several other parasites and infestations can be as or more dramatic than botflies, combining gruesome biology, horrifying effects, and chilling visuals. Here are some contenders that could rival or surpass botflies. Parasites of horror, real-life nightmares. Inside you. There's nothing more terrifying than the invaders you cannot see. They creep beneath your skin, live inside your flesh, and sometimes take over your mind. Welcome to the dark, disturbing world of human parasites, real-life nightmares that defy imagination. The botfly nightmare. Meet the botfly, the insect that makes your skin its nursery. These larvae are planted under your skin by unsuspecting mosquitoes. Silent, unnoticed, until the pain begins. For weeks, they feed on your flesh, growing larger, more grotesque, until they burrow out, leaving behind scars and nightmares. And just when you think it's over, the memories remain, crawling under your skin. Guinea worm, the torturer. Imagine drinking water only to have a nightmare grow inside you. That's the guinea worm, a parasite that can stretch 3 feet long as it burrows through your body, slowly making its way to the surface. But the horror doesn't end there. It takes weeks to pull the worm out, inch by agonizing inch. Once a curse of humanity, the guinea worm still haunts those who dare to drink from contaminated waters. Loa Loa, the eye invader. The Loa Loa is the stuff of nightmares. This worm doesn't just live in your body, it shows itself. You'll feel it writhing under your skin, and worse, watch it slither across your eyeball. Helpless, as it taunts you. And it's there, always moving, always watching. Screwworm. Flesh-eating larva. Unlike the botfly, the screwworm doesn't settle for wounds. It devours healthy tissue, leaving destruction in its path. The pain is relentless, as maggots feed on you, alive. Without intervention, this parasite can kill its host, one bite at a time. It doesn't just infest your body, it consumes you. Elephantiasis, the disfigurer. What if your body became unrecognizable? Filarial worms invade the lymphatic system, blocking its flow. What begins as swelling ends in grotesque disfigurement. You won't just feel trapped inside your own body, you'll be a prisoner of your parasite. Candiru, the invasive fish. Known as the vampire fish, the Candiru swims up unsuspecting orifices, lodging itself in flesh. Its spines make removal excruciating, often requiring surgery. In its pursuit of survival, it turns its host into its coffin. Parasitic freak show. Honorable mentions. Tunga penetrans, jigger flea, skin burrowing eggs causing swollen lesions. Rat lungworm. Worms in the brain causing neurological issues. Parasitic isopods. Replacing tongues in fish. If you thought the worst was over, think again. Nature's freak show has no end, and these parasites are always looking for their next host. Maybe it's you. Conclusion. Parasites are more than nature's horror stories. They remind us how fragile we are, how easily we can be taken over. So next time you feel a bite, a bump, or a squirm under your skin, ask yourself, what's living inside you? Nature's nightmare, humanity's horror. Like, subscribe, comment,